Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Adrian and today we have a unboxing and we're also going to be talking about the recent change on mid-roll ads. Now, a lot of us may say, what are mid-roll ads? Mid-roll ads are those ads that you can manually or have YouTube automatically place in the middle of your videos, normally if they're 10 minutes or longer. Now, YouTube has made a change, well, are about to make the change, that later on this month in July, they are going to offer mid-roll ads to videos that are 8 minutes or longer. So instead of 10 minutes, it's now going to be 8 minutes or longer. Now, a lot of us are getting excited about this because now we're going to be making more money, or the potential to make more money. But are we going to be able to make more money, or our audience is going to get a little bit overwhelmed with all these ads? Now, I think I'm a little bit excited about the change because, you know, we all quite often don't want to bore our audience, but a lot of times people try to make 10 minutes videos so that they can make more ad revenue based on that. You know, as small content creators, you really don't make that much money off of these ads. So I think it's a good step in the right direction, but I also feel like this is a way of YouTube making more money. Do you think so, or do you think it's a way of the content creators making more money? Now, you know, it's a great change, but they're automatically going to add those to your videos from the past that are 8 minutes or longer and all your future videos. So you have to go into your thing, I think before July 27th, and make sure that you fix that change that says you want them to automatically add those to your videos. And then you can go back and change it afterwards after the change has rolled out. Now, I feel like it's a good move because now we have the potential, as I said, to get a little bit more ad revenue. But I feel like we as content creators, we shouldn't overuse that new feature that they have going on, because, you know, we don't want our audience to click off the video. We still need those audience retention. Okay, so I just wanted to mention that briefly because I know a lot of us as content creators, we get so busy that sometimes we're not able to read those information. And I saw it in my YouTube studio and I also saw it in my emails. So I said, let me bring it to you guys in case you didn't see it. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. We got a big box right here. I think I know who it's from, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's get into the box. Let's get into the box. And you see what my shirt says, future. So you know I'm the future of this game. Well, we all are. All right. So let's get into the box. It says, keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening the envelope, okay? You know we got all those packaging stuff. Now, it's a lot of stuff in here. It says a gift for you. It's in a nice bag. Look at that. All right, let's unwrap this. You know I'm gonna be keeping these bags for a long, long time. A long, long time. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? And we got some Samyang Noodles. Yay. I'm so excited. I'll be eating a lot of noodles on the channel, so get ready, get ready, get ready. All right, I think there's a different one in here. It's a green one, a green one. It says a gift for you, a gift for you. Let's see what we got in this one. And it's Korean barbecue. Oh my goodness. CJ Foods Korean barbecue original sauce. It's called the bulgogi marinade. It says it's Korea's top selling barbecue marinade brand. It's the #1 brand during 2013 to 2018. And it's really good because only 20 calories per serving. So you tell me, that's a lot. That's a lot. All right. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try that out. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Another bag. Another bag. Let's see what's in this other bag. You hear that? 2 times spicy. So I just recently tried this 2 times spicy sauce, and I feel like it's hot, but it's bearable. So we got a little ASMR moment for you. So we got the 2 times spicy. And then we got one more in the bag. One more in the bag. What's in this bag? What's in this bag? What's in this bag? I hope I say that right. It's this green one. I never tried these noodles, so I'm super excited to try all of these noodles. This is a hot chicken flavor ramen, stir-fried noodles, and it says it's halal. Okay, let's see. I can't read everything on here, but this is gonna be fun. This is new too, it says. All right, so I want to know how many of you have tried bulgogi. And give me some ideas down in the comment section below how I can use this Korean barbecue. I'm super excited. Now let's see who this gift is from. Let's see who this is from. Alright, so it says, enjoy your gift from. And it says, thank you for being you, from T. So this was sent to me by Eat Spicy with T and her husband. I ain't gonna tell you her husband's name because you all don't know her husband. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like the content and you've been here before and you still haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss a brand new upload. And as I always say, share with your friends, share with your family, share with your neighbors. Don't be selfish because they want to be a part of this fun and personality. Now guys, don't click off the video just yet because you want to be serenaded by the one and only Silas Mukbang. Thank you for today. Thank you T and her hubby. Thank you guys. Love you all. See you later.
What I really want to say is thanking you for watching my video today. Thank you for today, Thank